Hi, this is Aisha Singh. You're watching me on Just Showbiz.
So, ma'am, why I was asking, Mumbai is, it's in a different zone right now because of Ganesh
Right.
Chaturthi. So, how you are enjoying this, the festival? Did you welcome Lord home too?
Actually, at my cousin's place, we do that. मेरे मासी जी के यहाँ लेकर आते हैं गणेश जी को, and we do that. And but मेरे घर पे नहीं लेकर आते हैं. I really want to someday, I am sure, क्योंकि मुझे ये फेस्टिवल बहुत ही ज्यादा पसंद है. I think it is one of my favorite. It is my favorite festival. क्योंकि एक तो मैंने कभी नहीं देखा था. मैं आगरा से हूँ, तो वहाँ पे इतना ज्यादा नहीं है गणेश चतुर्थी का. यहाँ पर जो माहौल रहता है, जो क्रेज रहता है, जो उत्साह रहता है लोगों में, एंड द होल सिटी इज डिफरेंट. वो बारिश हो रही हो, फिर कुछ भी हो रहा हो, इट गिव्स अ फीलिंग कि सब साथ में आके एंजॉय करते हैं. And I love it.
I was Pune for three years for my graduation, and yeah, there too it was the same. The vibes is positive and very different altogether during this festival. So
बहुत अच्छा लगता है. बहुत मतलब ऐसा पता नहीं. It's unbelievable for me. And हम लोग लाल बाग के राजा का इतनी मान्यता है, एंड मैं हमेशा जाती हूँ और हमेशा कोशिश करती हूँ कि जाऊँ, और हमेशा जाती हूँ भगवान की दया से. तो बहुत वो एक मतलब जो डेडिकेशन है देखने का भगवान जी को, और आप कुछ मांगो नहीं मांगो, और हर कोई वहाँ मांगने भी नहीं आता है. लाइक व्हेन यू आर इन द क्यू ना, सबकी बातें सुनने में, सबकी स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी सुनने में, सब यू नो यू एक्सपीरियंस अ लॉट, यू लर्न अ लॉट, एंड यू शेयर अ लॉट. तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
इट्स इनक्रेडिबल ऑल टुगेदर. तो मैम सेट पे भी अभी वही सीक्वेंस आने वाला है. यू आर गोइंग टू वेलकम गणपति एट छावन निवास. तो अभी कैसा है सेट पे कैसा आपका मतलब माहौल है? बिल्कुल से हाउ पीपल आर एक्साइटेड.
ये माहौल है एकदम
you all are
करने के लिए रेडी. वेलकम एकदम रेडी है हम भगवान जी को कि भाई और सब बहुत खुश है. अपनी सारी परेशानी, टेंशन सब भुलाकर शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहते हैं गणपति पप्पा का. तो इट्स रियली नाइस. बहुत एनर्जेटिक, एकदम तैयार होके और वेट कर रहे हैं. डांस चल रहा है, अच्छा है. इट्स रियली गुड. या
सो
ग्रैंड.
हाँ, ओके मैम. तो मैम तो फेस्टिवल है तो ट्विस्ट भी रहेगा शो में श्योरली. तो उसके बारे में अगर आप बताना चाहें. धमाका ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है?
धमाके तो हमारे यहाँ देखिए होते रहते हैं. हमारे ऐसा कुछ ना कुछ keeps happening, the moving, and काफी जॉयस है. पूरी फैमिली साथ में आई है. लेकिन वो जो ट्विस्ट है, ऑब्वियसली मैं आपको ट्विस्ट तो नहीं बताऊंगी क्या ट्विस्ट है, क्या होने वाला है. लेकिन हाँ, डेफिनेटली जितना ग्रैंड ये फेस्टिवल है, उतना ही ग्रैंड हम लोग एक उसको ट्विस्ट को भी लेकर आने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
ओके मैम. सो फिर आपकी कैरेक्टर की बात करें तो यू आर गेटिंग लाइक यू आर ऑल्सो ट्रेंडिंग ऑन एंड ऑफ ऑन सोशल मीडिया. सो बीइंग एन एक्टर, हाउ मच दैट मैटर्स टू यू?
अब सी, आई डोंट नो अबाउट ट्रेंडिंग, क्योंकि एक तो आई एम नॉट अ वेरी सोशल मीडिया पर्सन. तो मेरा जितना भी थोड़ा बहुत स्टार्ट हुआ है, I was barely active on Instagram. I'm barely active on Instagram. But after joining the show, मेरा जो भी थोड़ा active participation है वो है. तो I don't have as such any influence of social media as such on me. So I feel very happy to see it's like, okay, now I'm more curious कि अच्छा ऐसा होता है, okay वैसा होता है, but I try to not get it let these things affect me. However, very very grateful for everybody who keeps trending us, as a show or as characters, or me as a thing. I'm grateful that people love, they know me apart from Sai. Very grateful for.
Okay.
I know. I love Aisha Singh. That's going on. It's incredible.
Yeah. So yeah, you keep trending. We also see your trends, and it's like people praise your work, and they think you are growing as an actor. So do you think you are growing as an actor too?
See,
Yes,
definitely, because as an actor, art is something that you, even if you put little bit every day, it's like, a plant. You water the plant, it's growing. वो आपको दिखेगा नहीं, उसकी रूट से वो ग्रो रहा होगा. सडनली तो नहीं बढ़ जाएगा. उसकी रूट्स ग्रो हो रही होंगी, स्ट्रॉन्गर हो रही होंगी. So it's the same thing that you put every day thoda, and you're growing thoda every day. And I'm sure that is happening, but then it's a never ending process. Like you will be, I don't think so I will ever be like, oh, now I'm a very good actor. ऐसा नहीं होने वाला, क्योंकि you keep growing as an actor, I think, as an artist.
You keep learning too, right?
You keep learning. It's such an emotional journey, It's art, acting is an art form where there are so many emotions involved, emotions that you drive from your life experiences, and you keep having experiences. Your experiences only on the deathbed, not before that. तब तक आप experiences ही रहे हो, और जब तक आप लेते रहोगे तब तक इसमें देते भी रहोगे.
Yeah. So ma'am, so do you think character Sai is a very challenging for you to play?
It's challenging and it's fun also. It's both. It works both ways. It's challenging because it has, I keep saying in all my interviews, Sai character is very charming and has a lot of energy, and very, very quirky. She's this strong person who has a voice, who's rebellious, who's always stands for the right, and she has this whole energy around her. So to match up with that energy, I think it's a difficult part. And initially, she Sai is a Maharashtrian mulgi, तो वो थोड़ा उसका थोड़ा एक्सेंट पिकअप करने में थोड़ा होमवर्क लगा, और टू नो अबाउट द कल्चर थोड़ा होमवर्क किया. तो डेफिनेटली इट हैज इट्स ओन फ्लेवर, एंड वो धीरे धीरे हमने सीखे. नाइस.
Okay, so like you said, to match the energy of Sai is like quite difficult. So I was about to ask, since Sai is a very headstrong, fearless girl, so how much Aisha Singh relates to her?
See, I know how to pick my battles. I'm in that way, I'm different from Sai. Like every battle, Sai has to fight every battle. I can't fight every battle. I'm headstrong. Things when I decide, okay, nahi, ye clearly right and wrong hai. So I'm very headstrong that way. No, this is no, so this is no. But I'm easily convincible also. Like you can easily convince me. Okay. I'm not very stubborn, or I'll stick ek ban gaya mindset ho gaya to mindset ho gaya. वो नहीं है कि I'm easily convinced, and I take everybody's opinion and think. And like, acha. So I'm very calmer and chill. I'm not very, hyperactive and enthusiastic. I'm enthusiastic in life, but when it comes to decision making and stuff, so once I know, okay, this is like with acting, I knew I want to be an actor. So whatever hurdles came, I struggled with emotionally, financially,
Okay.
or what, all the things. I was headstrong. No, no, this is what I want. This is what I
Okay.
will, irrespective of whoever is saying whatever. Then
Okay.
I'm so in that ways I'm like saying.
Okay.
But I pick my battles. I don't fight every battles. I fight every battle for
Yeah.
I'm more like I would talk
Mhm.
it out. Nothing very easily. I can say sorry
Okay.
very easily. So does I say very easily, but not, like I can express. I'm very expressive. I think because Sai has seen so much in life
Yeah.
so early, that it's difficult for her to you know just be vocal about her feelings.
Okay.
She has to be strong. She has to be strong to survive in the world.
Mm.
I think
Okay.
that's the difference.
So especially at Chava Nivas mein, we will keep her. Okay. So it was a joke. Okay. Sorry.
No,
So
no,
yeah. So
she,
then.
she keeps everybody on toes only. बेचारे वो कभी भी
Okay. So, ma'am, moving on. So, we would love to know, since your wiki says you were practicing law and you were, assisting some murder cases, interrogating criminals. So, if any such character comes your way, will you be you'll
no,
take the
no, no.
opportunity? Yes, ma'am.
I have not interrogated criminals.
Okay.
Yes, I was an assistant like for an internship,
Okay.
but it was a very boring job. It was a very desktop job. I don't really say, but yeah. It was a very, like you have to do the documentation,
Hmm.
entries, case,
Hmm. Hmm.
serial numbers, वगैरह, and it was basic work. And definitely we went to courts and saw cases, and we've seen criminals
Hmm. Hmm.
as a law student. That's part of
Hmm.
your studies. तो वो सब
Okay.
किया है.
Hmm.
But I've not been a part of any interrogation.
ओके ओके ओके
Yeah.
मैम सो मैम अगर ऐसा कोई कैरेक्टर आपको प्ले करने के लिए दिया जाए लाइक इन नियर फ्यूचर तो आप लोगे लाइक टू प्ले एनी
Oh,
लॉयर या फिर स्पाई वगैरह ऐसे मतलब
wow, that will be so interesting. Definitely, Lungi. It will be very interesting, and to play such a role. And there'll be still I know that there is some experience in it, and I already hold. There'll be so much homework that will still be needed, and I'm sure मेरे सारे friends मेरे बहुत काम आएंगे. जितने के friends हैं, I'm going to Gishu and everybody. I'm going to use all of them.
ओके दैट्स ग्रेट सो मैम सो लाइक यू सेड तो ये आपका जो बोरिंग थिंग था वो आपको शिफ्ट कर दिया आपका करियर टू दिस एक्टिंग थिंग या समथिंग एल्स स्ट्राइक यू टू पिक दिस एंटरटेनमेंट थिंग like
Sorry.
what made you I just want to know what strike you basically to shift your career to acting because there are lots of other career options so why you have chosen acting as your profession.
See, I always wanted to entertain. I always had this entertainer in me, as because I used to joke around. I used to mimic, and वो सानी देओल सर का वो कोई डायलॉग, वो 2.5 किलो का हाथ, 2.5 किलो का मैंने अपने परेशान किया हुआ था. तो मैं इतना ओवर करती थी ना. एंड देन दिस सॉन्ग पानी दा आयुष्मान खुराना आए थे, तो आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक पानी दा. मेरे फ्रेंड्स परेशान हो जाते थे. मैं so much in me कि कुछ ना कुछ. तो one of my college friends, Grishma, she actually got like really irritated, and उन्होंने एक अनुपम खेर एक्टर प्रिपेयर का एक एडवर्ट आया था पेपर में. So she was used to read newspapers every compulsorily. So वो बैठ के पेपर पढ़ रही थी, she saw that and then वो उसने फटाक से वो लिया पेपर एंड वो काट के, and I was in my room, I still remember I was doing something in some reading and वो आई and she just kept it ऐसे ढप करके. I was like what? कहते you go there, अपनी सारी एक्टिंग वहां निकाल दे, if you know just go there. And वो हमारे कॉलेज के पीछे ही था, तो फिर I went there to see whether I can act or not, whether it is enough that I can, you know, change my career path to that.
Okay.
And I discovered that okay, I really like acting. So I moved. I gradually thought through, I moved.
Okay. So ma'am, so how the first role happened to you? Like
My audition, there was my first, it was Dolly Armano ki ZTV
GTV show. Yeah.
playing the youngest kid of Kamya Punjabi, and it was through audition.
Okay.
Yeah, it was very basic. Like, and but malab, yeah, for I think 6 months I had auditioned 2 places, and then
The role happened to you.
there is
So,
no
okay.
no like, you know, drama story around it. I gave an audition, got selected, did.
Okay.
Very
So, yeah.
simple.
So ma'am, okay. So moving on. So actors, you know, they get criticized by the fans, you know, mostly by their actions or उनको कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगा, they simply criticize. So how you deal? Have you ever came across any such situation? And if yes, so how you deal with such, you know, the trolls and any criticism? How you take it?
See, if it is a constructive criticism, you think over it, you try and adapt कि क्या correct कर सकते हैं, है नहीं है. You analyze yourself. If at all it is a constructive criticism. If it is blabbering or something, so it's part of your job profile. If you are praised, you'll be criticized also. So it's okay. I don't pay much attention to it. By God's grace, I've not been criticized. I've not faced so much criticism as such. But whenever it has come across in my way, if it's constructive criticism, I listen to it. I think about it. I try and implement changes. And if it is something that you know, it's not required, not required to even listen to certain stuff, you just move on. Yeah, because you know you are praised so much, definitely you'll be criticized also, so it's okay.
Actually.
Part of the so I don't pay much attention to.
So ma'am, coming back to Gum Hai Kisi Ke Pyar Mein, so we see lots of reels and bits on your social media with the cast. So how well you bond with everyone on the sets, and who is your favorite person basically on the sets?
See, I love everybody because everybody is so much fun to work with. So much fun to work with. Each and every person on the set, the whole family, even our crew members, our different teams. I have friends with creative team, be it Siddharth sir, be it production team, anybody. And I love all the artists. I have a great bond with all the artists as well. So if you ask like a favorite person, there is no one favorite person. Like I'm very close with Siddharth sir, very creative director. And I look up to him. And if among the artists, I'm definitely close with the ladies, with Mitali ma'am, with Natali ma'am, Kitty ma'am, Sheetal ma'am. Very close with them. And rest, I have fun with all the members because everybody is so fun. Like हम लोग reel बनाते हैं, कुछ ऐसे मस्ती करते हैं. So there is no, you don't have to think. Even if it's with anybody, you don't have to think कि ये वो फलान hesitation हो. You just bond. और ये सबके साथ, आई कैन स्पीक फॉर द होल टीम कि ये सबके साथ है, यू नो.
सो मैम, तो जोड़ी फैंस आर देयर. सायरत को बहुत पसंद किया जाता है. दे ऑल्सो ट्रेंड वेरी ऑन एंड ऑफ, नॉट वेरी ऑन एंड ऑफ, दे कीप्स ट्रेंडिंग ऑन सोशल मीडिया. So what do you have to say about Sarat, and what is your favorite moment so far? Sarat favorite moment?
See, you have okay. This there are so many moments coming to my mind at the moment.
So anyone.
I'm grateful. Honestly, I'm very, very grateful to all the fans for loving me and Neil sir, Sai and Virat so much. And you know, it's not a very easy relationship, honestly. Sarat is not an easy relationship. It's a very difficult relationship to understand because neither of them, दोनों में से कोई भी हमेशा सही नहीं होता, हमेशा गलत नहीं होता. कभी कभी सही होते हैं, कभी कभी गलत होते हैं, कभी कभी बहुत ही गलत होते हैं, कभी कभी बहुत ही सही होते हैं. और कभी कभी आपको हो लगेगा कि कितना प्यार है, क्यों नहीं समझ रहे एक दूसरे के लिए प्यार. कभी कभी लगेगा कि नहीं, स्टैंडिंग लेवल ही नहीं है. So you know, as a couple, they are very real because आप अगर किसी भी like if I feel I love my parents, I love their bond, I fail to understand them sometimes, you know.
Okay.
It is so real. And likewise for that, I fail to understand them. It is so real. If you see long-lasting relationships, sometimes you'll be like, huh? इसलिए वो बोलते हैं ना, मियाँ बीवी की फाइट में कभी बीच में नहीं बोलना चाहिए क्योंकि हो जाएंगे. So because it's so uncertain, so it's like they are very uncertain, and I love our fans for loving such a complex relationship. Beautiful. It is beautiful, really. And if you ask which is my favorite moment, I think the first time when both for me, I won't speak for him, but for me, when I realized that, you know, this is the Sarat moment, like this is when you feel that, oh, this is so cute. Sai and Virat ka wo ek relationship ekdam bud kiya tha. तो आई थिंक वन ऑफ द वेरी फेवरेट मोमेंट्स इज एक पिलो का सीक्वेंस था व्हेन साई सेज कि हम दोनों के बीच में ना पिलो, वो सडनली रात को शी जस्ट टर्न्स एंड वो ऐसे हाथ रख देती है विराट सर के चेस्ट पर सोते में, एंड देन की नींद टूट जाती है. तो कहती है इसको कुछ करना पड़ेगा. सो शी जस्ट पुल्स पिलो और दोनों के बीच में एक वॉल बना देती है, एंड दोनों एक दूसरे को उसमें से झांक के देखते हैं. Oh, it's so
cute enough. Yeah, that scene.
So दोनों एक दूसरे को देखते हैं and फिर सो जाते हैं. कोई there is no love for each other, but you know, दोनों they are newly married. I don't know. It's very cute. So I think that is one of my favorite moments.
Okay, ma'am.
There are, but yeah, that is one of my favorite.
Okay, ma'am. So okay. So what is the best compliment you have received so far, in terms of your acting or for the show, for anything?
There are so many. I can't bring out the best compliment. There are so many gestures. The very, very gesture of, you know, trending Aisha or trending as a character, or you know, the beautiful mugs or frames or bouquets and chocolates and what not, shoes, and I have no words. These are such beautiful. These are all forms of compliments. And then there are stories, there are messages, there are emails that people, you know, it's beautiful. People sing, they send, you know, they tag stories and they are singing "Gum Hai Kisi Ke Pyar Mein" ka song, and I listen. Okay. And very recently, you know, there was a girl very young. It's very unfortunate. Her friend was suffering from cancer,
Okay.
and she reached out, and she's a fan of the show, and she likes the show. She likes the character,
Okay.
and just to say hi and making somebody happy. I
Mm.
think this gesture in itself is so. I mean, I think that day I was like still talking about it is very that you can just make somebody who's suffering so much, you can make somebody smile for even a while. Even for a second, it's it's great if you can do that. So all these gestures, these moments, the everything is a compliment, and it's you can't compare. I can't compare. What is
Okay.
the best I can.
Okay. So lastly, what message you will give to your fans?
I will again say I'm very thankful, very grateful to all the fans who are loving Gum Hai Kisi Ke Pyar Mein, who are loving Sai, who are loving me, who are loving each and every character of our show. Thank you so much. Everybody's putting a lot of effort, and you guys are appreciating it. You're reciprocating it with your love, and thank you so much for doing it. And I hope we keep entertaining you, and you guys keep watching our show and keep sharing love, and let us know how you're feeling about it.